All right, so now we're gonna go to welder. We got another job over there, and they are framing for the fireplace. And we're just gonna make sure the framers are done, the electricians are done, and the plumbers are done. So we're just gonna go make sure everything's good, check the whole house over, because next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna foam it. So before we foam, we need to make sure everything is done, because right after foam, we drywall. So that's the plan. That's where we're going right now. All right, so we came up on the creek, and we've had quite a bit of rain lately. So I don't think it's very dangerous. There's a truck in front of us that he pulled over. I don't know if he's gonna go, but I think we're gonna go. Got it? All right, so we just talked to another driver. He's a local driver, and he said the issue with this is it gets pretty slick. So he's gonna drive behind us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be on the upstream side, so that if we slide, but it shouldn't be bad. So I put in full drive. Just gonna drive it slow. Shouldn't be a problem. It's not a problem. Now that he saw us cross, he's gonna cross. All right, that was nothing.
Joys of working out in the country, huh?
Yep, gotta have full drive, man. Everywhere you go, especially if you're gonna be a Barndominium builder. So we're on the way to the job site, but gotta stop at Buc-ee's. Gotta stop at Buc-ee's. So this is my weakness over here. Let me show you. Right there. That is my weakness. Let me have 2 banana nut muffins, please. So bananas are healthy and nuts are healthy, right? The bread is unhealthy, but I think the bananas and the nuts cancel it out. So it's almost like if I'm eating nothing. Right? Thank you, ma'am. You want water?
Yes, please.
All right. So we got Daniel here. He's gonna be my cameraman now. So turn the camera around on you, Daniel. So that's who I'm gonna be talking to. But you guys get to come along with us.
I need to cook beans today, man.
To what?
I need to cook beans.
Oh man, I hear you. See ya next time. All right, so we got our groceries, and now we're gonna go to the job site. I'm teaching Daniel the ways of the Barndominium builder. This is our big secret.
What we did is we only raised it 12 inches because that top is gonna, the brick, the top, what she wants, it's a 2-inch thick slab that goes across there.
Okay.
So that's gonna put her at the 14 inches. She measured it from the ground up to the top of that.
You got a tape measure?
Amen.
Yeah. Yeah, we should probably invest in a tape measure, Daniel, at some point. So this is where it's gonna be, 14. We don't need to open this?
No, that's on there. The thing, they're looking at a picture now. I'm not sure what kind of stone, if those are real stones or they're the fake stones that just stick on the wall here. If you're gonna, now down here, the bench will probably be full of stones, right?
I know, that's what I'm saying, but what I'm wondering is, do we need this whole thing showing, or do we bring the stone up to here? That's what I was asking.
That's what the stone.
That's what that picture shows. It shows a reveal around the metal here.
Yeah, only here.
Right.
So you got it too high then. See, let me see your tape. See, she asked for 14 inches.
Right.
So you're gonna have this much reveal. See what I'm saying? So that's another question that we need to ask her. How much reveal does she want? Because right now she's gonna have this much. I think it's too much, because we can't, if we leave that much reveal there, we can't even do it all the way around. I wouldn't leave more than this.
That's what we were gonna do.
So-
But it was like, she said 14 inches.
Right, to where?
Yeah, to the top of the,
Well, that's the question. To where? Like I said, if we're gonna give her the same review, at least we should give her this all the way around.
well, what we discussed was that 16 inches is the average height of a chair.
I understand, but she asked for 14, so we give her 3. So right here is what we should have. I got it here. So let's mark the 14. Right here. 14. All right. So this right here needs to line up with that. So we're about 3.5 inches too high.
You want me to drop it down?
Yeah, we're gonna have
We
to.
can drop it down. Can I get y'all to help me real quick?
Yeah,
All
of
I need
course.
to do is slide them blocks out. Okay?
Yep.
Just-
And then we're gonna. Yeah.
Time to drop down.
You good?
Just to see.
You don't have to be, 'cause I gotta let down this second.
Why? Keep lifting, man.
All right, one more time.
There you go. All right. So we're gonna put a ram up there. The customer has an all-dad, and we're gonna put it up there. We're gonna have to make a frame, and we're gonna put it on that blocking, and then we'll put the all-dad up there. So, is that gonna be centered with the door, or where's it?
That's where they marked it. That's where I put it.
Okay. Man, I would go ahead now and just block the rest of the way, just in case. That's just gonna give us some room for error, because what if he decides, you know what, let's just put it over the door.
That's what I thought. I thought it was going over the door.
Right, so let's do that while we have him here. Perfecto. So so this is the hallway where they're gonna do the pennies?
Yeah.
Is it the whole hallway, or? So the
I
customers,
asked Robert, you said she never told him.
huh?
She never told Robert how long.
Well, did you call her?
She didn't tell me either.
Well, I know you gotta
She don't know
She doesn't know what.
how long she's gonna, how far. She's gonna buy $100 worth of pennies.
That ain't.
How that goes.
Oh, do the math. I'm serious, man. I know it sounds stupid, but you got to do the math. Because what if she gets here and you're only going to get 2 feet? She needs to know that. I mean, you can't go blind about anything. I mean, it doesn't take that long to do the math. All right, let's do the math.
Okay.
Well, forget that. Get the penny. You got a penny? A penny?
In the truck.
Yeah, get some pennies. Let's do the math. I know you think I'm joking, but this is what I'm talking about. You gotta plan everything.
Count pennies.
Huh?
Seriously, count how many.
No, you do the math.
Okay.